Alrighty guys, Blake Fry here at Mountain Comfort RV today. I have something special for you. This is Encore's new trailer that came out, well, more of a series, the Survival Series. And we're going to go through a couple things that we have added on here that I think you guys will be pretty excited about. Rupert.
Hey Blake, how are you doing?
Doing fantastic. Well, that was random. All right, guys, let's get started here. We're going to start just kind of at this entry door. One cool thing about the Survival Series is that you do have a lithium battery installed on this. It's a 100 amp lithium battery. There are 2 extra trays if you want to add an extra, or 2 extra. You do have if you want to pan on in here real quick, you do have a battery controller there that's going to tell you, where your battery's at percentage-wise on the trailer. And we'll just kind of move on over here. You got the rugged tires. Now this is grown accustomed to the ROG, where it's going to have that on there. Most of the time it would look a little funky with the extra stuff that we have on here I'm about to show you without these types of tires. So just hitting that real quick, and then also this is going to come with a portable solar panel. We don't have it connected down there yet, but basically this is going to be able to charge up your lithium batteries no problem. Not having it on the roof is going to be a benefit in states like Indiana, where you're mostly parked underneath the trees and stuff like that, where you have overhead coverage. So this is a big help. I'm going to skip on past this real quick. What you see here, you got 2 POG lights that come with the trailer. One up here, one in the back corner. These are all 12 volt ports. You got 4 12 volt ports all the way around. There's easy connections on the rack up top here. And this is a sturdy rack up top. This does have a high definition, easily removable panel up here that you can pull off and put back on at your disposal. And that coaxial is going to come with it, and it's going to run right down there if you want to pan down there. This is going to come also with an overland shovel, right? Not bad. Kind of looks like that zombie apocalypse. If the zombie really just won't die, well then you take this bad boy to it. Moving on back, we do have it's a 28-inch axe. And then right underneath it, you do have also an 18-inch hatchet, right? Not bad at all. Moving on back just a little bit more, we do have the rugged type ladder. This is a very, very strong ladder. Get up top here. I can't even move it. You can see sometimes in the Rich's videos that he's moving this sucker around. I guess I don't weigh enough. Sorry, Rich. Okay, so also, I did kind of breeze on past this. This is a walkable, a step-on, 1/4-inch thick aluminum wheel cover here, or wheel well, I guess. So you can stand up on there, get to your axe, get to whatever, get away from the zombies trying to bite at your ankles. So we'll pan around here to the back end. Also, I did kind of brush over, this is available on the 12RK and the 12BH as well. So it comes with a nice even little survival book going on right here, right? Nice reads over by the fire. And then this is a life straw. Go find a dirty puddle somewhere and get your water, I suppose, right? You may ask, why do I need an axe? Why do I need a shovel? Why do I need this life straw? Well, because it's America, and we get what we want, right? Also have this American flagpole bracket here. Honestly, guys, this is one of the cooler trailers that I've seen in a while. It's hitting a pretty specific demographic, but it's pretty fantastic. I did not unload the grill, but this is the grill setup. Very, very strong. Also, one other little thing before I end here is that you do have a little, just a part of the whole survival process, you do have a first aid kit right there next to the door. That's a just in case right there. But anyway, guys, this has been the Survival Series from ROG, built by Encore. The structure's fantastic. This is a good camper that's going to last you a long time.